Hey, Delanie.
Hi, I'm Delanie, and this is who I am. I go to Liberty Baptist Church. I think that's famous.
How old are you?
I'm good, and I met this guy named Ray, and he's very nice.
Aww.
He's the best friend that I go out and I make friends like all the time at CR, but it is good because it is a nice time here.
Cool.
And Ray is the best friend.
Aww. How old are you, Delanie?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. Wow. And what are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm planning on being a doctor.
Wow. What kind of doctor?
A kid doctor.
Kid doctor. What's
pet
it called?
doctor.
A pet doctor. So what's it called?
It's called a pet doctor. And I'm gonna work and I'm gonna take care of fish, pups, kittens, because the kittens are so cute.
What's your favorite pet?
I actually don't know that.
Oh? Dogs, fishes.
I have a dog and cat. My sister has a fish that's still alive since Halloween.
Wow. Did anybody try to eat them?
My cat doesn't live at my
Uh-oh.
And I have 3 dogs. One at my Nana's house. One named Sissy. One named Little Bit. One named Miracle.
Mm-hmm.
And so Miracle's young.
Mm-hmm.
Little Bit's a puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Sissy's very, very old.
Wow. How old is Ori very old?
I don't know. I've been asking my Nana. I can't keep up the one.
Like 20 years or 100 years?
No, he has this gray stuff in his eye that sticks out. He's almost blind.
Ew.
I know, right? Miracle, she's just hyper, likes to play a little bit. She jumps and licks everywhere.
My friends call you little stars.
And so, this is my favorite place, church.
Your favorite place?
You go Wednesday, Sunday, and Thursday, which is today. So, this is who I am. Sorry.
So we can sit over here in the steps. No, you stay here. You sit here. So, the favorite place you have is the church. And then, what do you like about the church?
I like about when you go in the little groups. You have private time. You can talk with the teacher.
And you just have hot dogs.
Oh yeah, you get to eat. One day, a couple of weeks ago, we had Taco Day, and the tacos are delicious.
Wow, what kind of tacos were there? Fish tacos, chicken tacos?
I think there were chicken and meat.
Huh.
The chicken is really juicy, really juicy.
Yummy.
Wait, where's
Alright, we'll do it later.